I'm Kai. I'm your intuitive love reader, aka the Mystic Siren. If you're manifesting love and abundance, I got something very special for you. I have your all authentic and high quality crystals blessed and ritualized by the Enlightened Guide. Black tourmaline for grounding and protection. Brazilian citrine for attraction of money and abundance. Madagascar rose quartz for attraction of love and harmonious relationship. And of course, our lucky red string bracelet with jade charm to attract love and money. PM me kung paano ka magkaroon ng high quality, blessed and ritualized na crystals na to.
Okay, Earth sign reading, bonus reading for the month of May. Eto na. Last two shuffles for the Earth signs. Anong meron sa mga Earth signs? Earth sign reading for, bonus reading for the month of May. Overthinking. Okay. You're trying to build on something, business or love connection. Ino-overthink mo to. Alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi ito yung best connection para sa'yo. Hindi ito yung tamang business partner, hindi ito yung tamang love connection for you. Kaya nagdadala to ng overthinking and anxiety sa'yo. You're trying, no, slowly detaching yourself from this connection. It doesn't feel stable din naman. You don't feel secure about this connection. Maraming mga pangako at plano na hindi natutupad or parang more on drawing, more on usapan lang, pero hindi naman nagmamanifest, hindi nagmamaterialize, okay? But this connection nandyan pa rin. Ang daming overthinking, but I don't know, sinasanay mo na lang ba yung sarili mo dun sa hindi magandang sitwasyon? It's your choice to stay. At sabi mo is okay lang, marami kang tinatanggap about this connection. Gusto mong makipag-usap, but lagi na lang may miscommunication. Kaya most of the time, sabi mo gusto mong tumahimik na lang. Ang daming nangyaring like injustice, unfair situation, but andito ka pa rin, nagbibigay ka pa rin, nag-i-invest ka pa rin sa connection na to. Maraming bagay na nahihirapan kang tanggapin, but still, you choose to stay. Free will. Sabi mo, this connection, this business or love connection is not that bad at all. Kaya sabi mo is, mag-stay ka pa. And kumbaga is, mag-heal ka dun sa mga situation, iniisip mo baka naman ikaw lang ang may problema. Okay? Find the balance there. Let's see. The reason for the reading is avoiding conflict. May habit ka of may mga bagay na dapat i-address sa situation. But dahil ayaw mo nang magtalo kayo, ayaw mong magkaroon ng conflict, sabi mo is wag na lang. Okay? Parang sinasacrifice mo na lang yung standards mo at lahat na lang is you're trying to sweep things under the rug. Okay? Nahirapan ka, for now, sabi mo is go with the flow, do ino-overthink mo to. Sabi mo, sige, pag nag-workout, kung ano man yung mangyari, kung ano yung mga maging decision ng person mo, sige lang, okay lang sa'yo. Okay. Recent past, meron kang pinagpe-pray na blessing, na favor, natanggap mo naman. Or you feel lucky by having this connection, business or love. I feel medyo nagiging okay naman. Okay? Dumaan lang sa challenges. Meron kang pinagpe-pray na malaking blessing. You feel na hindi na nagre-reciprocate masyado, hindi na nag-e-effort masyado yung person mo, yung feminine energy, hindi na. If this is a love reading, you feel na parang yung feminine here is hindi na masyadong nagbibigay ng effort at care sa relationship na to. Earth signs, I feel may mga taong dapat mo nang tanggalin, mga hindi tamang kasama. And if this is a love reading, I feel nagkakaroon ng involvement sa ibang love interest. Yung person mo, gusto kanyang kausapin, gusto niya magstay, gusto pa rin niya mag-invest, pero gusto niyang magkaroon ng honest conversation with you. Kung ano man yung mga nagiging challenges sa relationship na to. Meron kang fear and doubt May fear and doubt yung masculine dito, the masculine energy, na makagawa ng maling decision. Or kung ikaw yung feminine sa connection na to, natatakot ka na baka may magawa na namang like wrong move yung person mo. Kasi sabi mo is lagi na lang may conflict. Ready ka naman to meet your person halfway. Lagi ka na lang nagbibigay. Kaya lang, parang may trust issues na dun sa masculine energy here. Okay? In the next 3 months, manage your expectations. Wala namang perfect na relationship. I can see disappointment here. May mga long-term plans na maaaring maset aside, ma-push back. Magkakaroon pa rin ng kahit nagkaroon ng broken heart and disappointment, I feel magkakaroon ng reconnection. Pero hindi ko masyadong nakikitang magiging maganda ang outcome ng reconnection na to. Hindi pa naman tapos yung relationship na to, pero ang dami pa rin kailangang ayusin. At dahil may trust issue sa relationship na to, may mga bagay na kailangang pag-usapan. Kasi what's happening here is nagpapakiramdaman, you're trying to be very observant about each other. Minsan parang nag-a-assume na lang kasi ayaw ng pag-usapan ang mga bagay. And magiging blockage to for the both of you to move the relationship forward. Yes. Okay? So, merong mga conversation na kailangan mangyari, heart-to-heart conversation. And, kung may mga doubts, I feel merong mga kailangang i-rebuild sa relationship na to. And, if you feel na parang wala nang kakapuntahan yung relationship na to, then you decide. Kasi mula ngayon, until in the next 3 months, I feel na parang mahihirapan kang mag-decide. Nandun ka lang sa you're trying to weigh things. It's like more on analysis paralysis if this connection is really good for you. But the truth, earth signs, is alam mo naman yung totoo. Kasi umikot ka na sa ganitong situation at wala ka namang nakitang pagbabago sa situation at sa person mo. Okay? But still, kung gusto mong ilaban tong relationship na to, free will yan. Okay? And, yeah, free will talaga. Recommend ko lang ang ating rose quartz para sa pagbalance ng heart chakra. And if you're manifesting money, we have the citrine, and to balance the emotions and to block the bad juju and bad energy, meron tayong black tourmaline. And that is your earth sign bonus reading for the month of May. PM me for your personal reading. Bye-bye, earth signs!
Good news sa lahat ng nag-aabang sa ating bagong line of crystals. Ang isa sa ating pinagkakatiwalaan na healer at magaling mag-love spell na si Everlasting Alpha at kilala natin bilang Ate Joy ay naglabas na rin ng kanyang crystals. Huwag na nating patagalin. Umpisa na! Para sa lahat ng may problema sa reproductive health, para sa'yo ang Healing and Fertility Bracelet na to. Kung ikaw ay may hinihiling na blessing na pinansyal, para sa'yo ang Abundance and Protection Bracelet na to. Elephants are known to be wise and strong. Ang Lucky Elephant Bracelet na to ay magdadala sa'yo ng good luck, vitality, and protection. Isa pang pampaswerte, ang Lucky Money Bracelet na to ay mag-a-attract ng abundance at prosperity sa kung sino mang may suot nito. Ang lahat ng bracelet na to ay na-cleanse at na-orasyonan ng ating Everlasting Alpha. PM me kung paano ka magkaroon nito.